Hi guys, I am making giveaways for my sister's 80th birthday. Okay, so I made a personalized na. Okay ba to? I ordered from TikTok like this, 80 pieces, and then print Vising at 80. Okay, so guys, I use an acrylic paint. Then here I am starting. I have done already 10 pieces guys, and I hope I can finish this up to her birthday on July 4. Okay, so mano-mano lang to, hand print. Okay, so I'm making it hand print. There. I hope you can see it. Hand print. Okay. I used a soft bristle paintbrush. Soft bristle paintbrush, so that okay, so I hope it is good. What can you say guys? Is it nice? I have done how many already? So I hope I can finish the 80 pieces. 80 pieces. Of course, I also insert paper inside so that the paint will not penetrate at the other side. And this one, I'm going to print freehand. Okay, so I don't use any guide. I just have the brush and the paint. Look guys, there, the paint is there. I'm using a bristle, a soft bristle guys. Okay, so it is. Okay. Can you see it guys? There. There it is. So, yan. Lagyan natin konting tubig. Okay guys, okay ba? Ayan. Ayan na oh, dami ko nang nagawa. So, mamaya, lalagyan ko pa yan ng alin dyan ang please tell me if what design is the best. Here guys, so I have done here different design of what can you say about this? So that is another design. This is another design. Then tell me which is the best design. So I can which has the best design. You see, I choose this one. I choose this as the best one. Which design do you want? Is it that design? So, ano pa ang masasabi nyo? Alin dyan ang mas maganda? Oh. Alin ang mas maganda dyan na design, guys? Please comment down below so that I can continue what design bill I'm going to continue for the birthday giveaways of my sister's birthday, 80th birthday. So which one? Is this the one? This one? Or the other one? This one? Which is the best? I'm going to put also the date here. Okay? And this one, my daughter said it's Baduy. So I don't know. So please guys, comment down below and suggest if what design is better for the giveaways of my sister's 80th birthday. Okay guys? So please comment down, suggest kung ano yung pwede kong ituloy na design. Okay? Thank you!